Hey y'all, this is Matt from Gatesway Games. Just thought I would give you a little tour around my game room slash workshop for dice making and terrain building and all that fun stuff. It's all in the same room. So yeah, it's got a few videos in the pipeline, but it'll be a few days before I can start posting them. So this is thought it'd be fun to kind of show you guys where the magic happens. So So we've got all the board games. This is mainly my game room. So all the board games, a gaming table, more board games, and jigsaw puzzles. Uh, but yeah, so my gaming table. We got my D&D coasters, my regular coasters for the normies, D&D bag, tripod for when I start doing like game reviews and game how-tos and that sort of thing. Over here, we've got my resin 3D printer, which is kind of down for the count at the moment. I I don't. It's just giving bad prints, so not the most technically savvy person. So I'm just kind of doing a lot of googling and trying different things to hopefully get it back online, but we will see. Um, come over here, and this is my mini painting, terrain building, dice inking, dice polishing area. And you see all my paints, and this is all of the dice I've made to this point. I think I'm right around uh, 30 sets, something along those lines. Yeah, right around 30 sets. These haven't been finished or inked or any of those sorts of things, but I needed to get something to kind of get them up off the table, and we've got the chunks up there that need to be done. And of course, George Costanza. So we move over here, some unfinished terrain, and here's the dice making area. I've got my giant ring light with a phone mount on it, and you can hear my dog barking in the background. One of my three dogs. He is he's getting older. He has some separation anxiety, even if it's just through a door. But yeah, it's a little messy. I filmed part of a video earlier tonight, and be a couple days before I can finish it. But yeah, this is where I do all of my dice casting, dice unmolding, all that fun stuff. Here's my pressure pot with some stuff inside it, 40 psi. Um, the results of which you guys will see here in a couple of days. Here is my vacuum chamber with my pressure pot insert on it because what I put in here would not fit on there. And various silicones and resins and all sorts of fun chemicals. And that's pretty much it. That is the entire thing. My personal protection equipment, respirator, and noise canceling headphones for when I'm running my air compressor. Um, so, so yeah, that is the entirety of the Gatesway Games kingdom, so to speak. So, anyway, this is the place.